Today is the day that we send this unit back to its permanent home. Now, I'm not going to kid myself. This moment has taken weeks to get to. But today, after all those weeks of hard work and stubborn bolts, the magic happens. Strike the mechanic pose. What's on, everyone? Welcome back to the Cornish Ox channel. Now, today is probably the most exciting day since I started this project. We are finally going to get the M57 lump 330D into my touring. Now, before I do any of that, the engine bay in this car is a bit grubby. My OCD is not allowing me to put the engine in a dirty engine bay because I love creating more work for myself. However, for you guys, it's better because you get to see more content. However, for me, it's not because I sweat. So this is going to be all cleaned up. We're going to get it done, and then we're going to finally get that engine in on its mounts today. Let's do it. Buff. Nice cows. One brake horsepower. I mean, when I said filthy, look at the state of it. There's absolutely no way I was going to put a new engine in this filthy engine bay. I mean, it made complete sense to clean it all and get it ready now, because it's never going to be accessible again. And just for good measure, here's a little bit of polish going on, just to give it a little bit of protection. Just look how much more satisfying that is now it's had a good clean and a degrease. I wouldn't mind being in home here. I even went to the point of cleaning the aluminium subframes. Look at the shine on them. How much better does that look now? Now that looks like a place that a 200 brake engine can sit at home quite comfortably for years to come. So now we got to remove the front end. So that makes it easier for me to slide the engine in, because I'm not having the same problems I had with the last one trying to get it in, and this is a bigger engine. So we're going to remove the front end and just slide it in. So let's go. That's right, you heard the man. Let's go indeed. Time to get this front end off. Now, removing it's pretty simple. It's about 12 bolts, a bonnet clip and a few headlight screws, and then she's out. Now, with the front end removed, I can get rid of the old engine mounts and install the M57 ones. Now, a word of advice from me. If you're undoing an engine mount bolt, don't leave your hand on the back of an impact gun. Whoa, whoa, that one hurt. Whoa, that's gonna be a pinch. So this is what all the pain and effort is for. So the donor car was an auto. However, I've picked up a 6-speed manual gearbox. So let's get this auto box off. With all the bell housing bolts and torque converter bolts off, it was time to get the engine in the air and get this box off. I then had to take off the automatic flywheel. I then had to install the manual clutch, flywheel and pressure plate. And now, with the gearbox snugly fitted, it was time to get the bell housing bolts back on to make this engine complete. At this point, I still can't believe this is going to fit in my touring. So one last thing to do was to remove the old selector and gear knob, but my mate knew exactly what he was doing.
Almost there, love.
plastic notches. Come up over the plastic notches. Does it come up over the plastic notches?
I think the knob things up a little bit further than that actually, if I'm honest. Yank hard and it'll come off.
Why don't you just fucking say that? Why don't you just fucking say that? Twat. Fucking have me in a scam rat. Now that King stitched me up like a kipper, let's get the selector out and get this engine in. Let's go. Now I will just warn you, there is some typical Cornish banter coming up.
So I'll start jacking it up and then you turn under it.
Go on the boy!
I am.
This is on time lapse because of how slow King's engine crane is, as you can see. Yeah. 1 pump, 1 mil. Sounds like my sex life. 1 pump, 1 mil. Yeah! We've been there fucking deep hard and dry, boy! I don't think YouTube are going to enjoy that. Welcome, boy. Welcome. Mate, I can't believe it's going in. I literally cannot believe it's going in.
It's not fast work, though.
Huh?
It's not fast work, but nevertheless.
No, it's Cornish work. Directly.
Directly that.
Now, I'm not being funny, but at the speed King's engine crane went at, I'll be old enough to collect my retirement fund and my bus pass. Now, I don't know about you, but I reckon I could send a letter to Australia via a pigeon faster than this engine crane's pulling this engine up. You know I'm only joking, my boy. You some boy on the quiet.
I'll shove that a bit more now. Steady, Trico. Steady. Shit in the way? That's not fine, actually. So probably better off putting it down now. Because you're not going to get much more out of it. Where's the...
Doofer?
It's the little jigger.
Nickelback has announced a new single, Everything Under the Sun, which is coming out on the 30th of October, and I've been sent the new single, which is called Rattle the Cage.
Is it on those axle stands in those places?
Yeah, they're fine.
This is heavy,
Action on the steering wheel.
Yeah, that's right. Give it a little wiggle. Go around a minute. Right, that don't matter. Leave will go down for a minute.
There you go, that's it. She's gone past the rack now, boy.
And then all we've got to do, long. Bit of that, you know what I mean? And we're fucking almost there, chap. The other side's got to come up in the air a bit.
Whoosh!
Yeah?
Yeah. Go up a little bit.
Yeah, go up a little bit. Whoop.
The jack can't move much because it's on the last bit of wood, that's it.
It needs to kind of rotate this way. Like that. Pretty boy.
That hurt. Fucking decided to shoulder charge the corner of the wing. You know what? Running the men on, not my thing anymore. Just take trousers.
I just put it on it.
Sure. Yeah. Go on the game. I honestly can't believe what I'm seeing. Just a few weeks ago, this engine bay was empty, and now the M57 is finally sitting where it belongs. What a day. What a day.